Okay, so how did I do that? How did I do that? Damn, that's good. Got about that much stick out. The number 8 cup. I got about this angle right here. Angled towards my workpiece. And I get a good established puddle. And I step it. Step it. Step it. First I do a dry run to make sure I've got a good angle for the whole thing. And then the rest of it's just muscle memory and consistency. Watching that puddle build. Filling it in. Got a 1/16 rod. 70-6. It's carbon steel. I'm just filling it in like that. Each time I step that tungsten, fill it in, make it hump up. Fill it in, make it hump up. Fill it in, make it hump up. Make every move exactly like the previous move. Keep it nice and uniform and consistent. That was easy and efficient. If you want something done easy and efficient, get a smart, lazy person to do it, because they're going to find out the easiest way and most efficient way without exerting the most energy. Work smarter, not harder kind of theory, maybe. I mean, I don't know if I'm smart or not, but I'm definitely lazy.